What's up, guys? It's me, your boy Max. However, I'm out here at my boy Isaac Tominski's house in the wilderness, out in the surroundings of nature. I know I haven't been taking videos much, and that's cool. But I'm back, better than ever, ready to do 30 or so push-ups for you guys. Today I'm dedicating these push-ups to my boy Gunna. We've been through it all, up, down, sideways, left to right. So yeah, let's do some fucking push-ups and do the shit.
Let's go.
All right, yes.
Let's do it, dude.
30. That sun was beaming on my fucking back, bro. Oh my god. I just gotta say, you do you. Go. Do some push-ups. Run around the block. Do whatever. You do you. Have a great day. Love you.
Love you too, bro.